All right, the bond is set, it's cured. All the white is gone and now it's clear, so that's really the big indicator. So we're gonna take the head of hair and we're gonna put it back on, line everything up and style my hair, and we'll be done. So again, if you made your mark, you're gonna wanna put it right behind your mark. I'm going right to where I applied that bond. You wanna give it a little bit of pressure. Make sure that there's no air bubbles or wrinkles. Feels good. No gaps all the way around the edge. I don't feel any lifting edges. Now what I like to do is I like to make sure that that hairline is super secure. So what I do is I use a comb like this, and I take that front edge, and you can see that material, I'll roll it right down and press it into the fresh bond. That ensures that that edge is sealed down. We want to make that perfect to give us that natural looking hairline. So we want to make sure it's not folded under in any area. Make sure it's nice and secure. Just like that. Press it right into that new bond and see how it just disappears. Okay. So now it's great to use a little bit of a leave-in conditioner. I'm using our Maxim product. This is a nice product. It is called Renew. I like to style my hair with this. It feels great. Makes it nice and soft. And it has a little bit of a UV in it. Being in Florida and getting as much sun as I do, it helps protect my hair from fading. So everybody styles their hair a little bit differently, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of some lift in the front, put a little bit of product in it. Use a blow dryer. I always use it on a cooler setting. If you notice, I got a couple hairs that seem to be stuck to my forehead. So what I'll do is I'll use my towel again. And you can go right in there with that alcohol or the dissolve product and just rub right on those hairs and they'll come right up for you. See, so that's going to give you that clean looking frontal hairline. All right. Style up. It's always good to check the back to make sure that everything is styled in and covered correctly. So again, use your handheld mirror. All right, we got proper coverage. Great style all the way around. We're good to go. And that's how you do a quick rebond. Full head bond, skin system. Any questions, reach out and we'll be able to help you out.